I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hey guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're partnering with OSLOVE Organics to bring you the 2021 OSLOVE Thanksgiving giveaway. We will be giving away 3 of the Fenugreek Hair Butters, which is our DIY for today. So go ahead and thank OSLOVE Organics for sponsoring this video, and let's jump right in. To make a basic herbal hair butter, you need plant butters, carrier oils, and then of course your herb of choice. Today we're using fenugreek powder to infuse our beautiful oils from OSLOVE Organics, and we're going to be adding that straight to the butters to create this hair butter. My first oil of choice is pumpkin seed oil because it has great benefits for the scalp and hair. It can help fight dandruff and also help to promote hair growth. To complement that, I'm using Kukui Nut oil because it's one of the lighter oils. It absorbs fast and doesn't leave a greasy feel. It will also soften your hair and help to retain moisture. Now that we have our oils, we can infuse it with the herb of our choice. Today we're using fenugreek powder. This herb works wonders for the scalp. It's anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant, so it's going to help fight dandruff, any other scalp irritation that may be causing damage or hair loss. It can definitely work to fix that, okay? So this herb has been widely used to make hair butters. There are many videos all over YouTube. I will link some of the videos I got inspiration from down in the description box below. But yeah, I'm just going to add this to my muslin bag here, you guys, in order to infuse my oils. You can use any oil you prefer. These are just the oils I'm using because I feel like they complement the benefits of the fenugreek, okay? Make sure you tie a knot to secure your muslin bag and then place it into the oil. We're going to place this into a water bath on the stove on low heat for about 30 minutes to make sure that the herb infuses into the oil. There are many ways to infuse your oil. You do not have to do it this way. This method is just less messy for me. While our herbs are infusing into the oil, we're going to go ahead and prepare our plant butters. I'm using unrefined shea butter from OSLOVE Organics as well as mango butter. Shea butter adds such a creaminess and richness to your final product, and it also works to soften, moisturize, and also heal the hair and scalp. Very great butter to use. The shea butter can definitely stand alone, but I'm adding mango butter to add just a little bit more stability and structure to the butter. Mango butter tends to be a little bit harder than shea butter, and it also has some great benefits to add shine and elasticity to your hair strands. You can add any combination of butters you choose, but I believe shea butter is going to give you the best overall creaminess for this formula, okay? So our infused oil has been on the stove for maybe 15 minutes now. So now we're going to go ahead and add our butters to the water bath as well, and we're going to let that melt down for another 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. By the time they melt down, your infused oil should be ready, but you can definitely leave it for longer. You also want it to cool down before you go to squeeze your muslin bag. It is piping hot, so that will also give it more opportunity to infuse. Once your infused oil has cooled some, you can go ahead and place your melted butters into a larger bowl. Squeeze your muslin bag as much as you can to get all the goodness and benefits of the fenugreek out, and then pour your infused oil into the larger bowl as well. Now mix, cover, and then place in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once your mixture has slightly solidified, you can go ahead and whip it up. Today I'm using a hand mixer because I feel like I use my stand mixer and whisk a lot of times. You guys wanted to see me use the hand mixer. You can use whichever one works best for you. Whip your butter until you get the consistency that you are looking for. I whipped my butter until I got something that was very light and fluffy. If you're using shea butter, it will be a little more creamy and dense. Versus something like cocoa butter, it will be very light and airy. So it just really depends on the type of butter you use, what kind of consistency you will get in the end. Just play around with it until you get the one that you're looking for. I'm gonna pipe mine in, you guys, not to have any kind of beautiful aesthetic or anything like that. It's literally just to get it into the jar. I find that piping your butters into your jar is a lot faster and neater in some cases, so I have been practicing that a lot. In this case, I'm just gonna pat the bottom of the glass to make sure that the butter goes down and kind of fills in those spaces, and then of course this last little swirl is just for the aesthetic of the video, you guys. But of course, if you're going to add a lid to this or you're going to gift it to someone, you don't want to have this swirl this high up. You want to make sure it's low so you can put the top on. And that's it. We just made a super easy fenugreek infused hair butter. This butter works great for my hair. It adds so much shine. I know that it's locking in moisture and is strengthening my hair, making it more manageable and increasing the elasticity, which we know will reduce breakage. And when this happens, of course, we're getting length retention. And that is the main goal, you guys. Our hair is going to grow anyway, unless you have underlying issues that is preventing actual hair growth from the follicles. It's going to grow, but in order to see that growth, you need to retain the length. So this hair butter is definitely worth the try, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you did. If you have some questions, I'll try to answer them. I would also like to thank OSLOVE Organics for sponsoring this video and sponsoring the giveaway. You guys, were giving away 3 fenugreek hair butters. These are going to be full 8-ounce size jars. So go ahead and check the description box below for your chance to enter to win. Also, make sure you check the description box for the link to OSLOVE Organics. There you can find all types of unique butters and oils and other DIY ingredients so you can make your own hair butters or other products that you like to make. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because it's the only way you can keep up with all the videos I'm coming out with. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Wanna release it.